Dito na kami sa Wisconsin Dells, and first stop, original Wisconsin Ducks. Across lang siya na Mount Olympus. Go now, watch your step.
Watch that red step, watch your head for your adults as you get in, okay?
Where do you wanna sit, Nam? Where do you wanna sit, Nam? Here?
You mainly get wet in these two back seats. You might get a little wet in the front.
Okay, we'll go in the middle. Dito ako sa gilid, Nam. Magad yan. Okay. Yeah.
Do you want there or here?
Takot na takot mabasa yung nanay. Gremlin. Ah. Oh na, mag-vlog ka. We're here at Wisconsin Ducks, sabi mo.
Wisconsin Ducks.
We're gonna go on a tour.
Wisconsin Ducks.
Where are we going?
Boat tour.
Duck tour.
Hey, Jeff.
Is that pretty fun? So we've got a couple rules for you before we go out. I want to remind you to stay seated throughout the whole tour.
Are you ready?
Alright, good evening ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome aboard the amphibious duck WWII. My name is Jack and I will be your pilot, tour guide, alligator wrangler, and exotic dancer for the next 8.5-mile journey through the Wisconsin Dells. Part of our tour today will be here on land, another part will be in the water, and if I do my job just right, in the air.
Are you excited now? Yeah?
I'm kind of scared.
Scared of what? Ayaw nga niya. Tighter.
We are now descending. Pause.
Oh, look na.
Some deer.
Deer.
Hi, little dearie. Oh, my God.
May anak oh. May small.
Oh, so cute. Oh, what did you get today? Hi, little dear. Hi, little dearie.
Are very porous and they trap in moisture, acting as a natural air
Oh, lamig
conditioner.
nam.
They keep temperature than the surrounding area,
Wow.
making us the coolest people in town.
There's a deer, another deer, Nam. Ooh, look at that, Nam. Oh, it's a male, Nam. Is it? Eating water.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's get ready to stop and look for traffic. Before we go into the river, I will have you do a couple things for me. With one of your hands, reach up, grab the seat in front of you, brace yourself. With your other hand, plug your nose. Here we go, just like that. We're water to your left. You'll notice it's got a really deep brown color. And if you look at the water to the right, it's the exact same color. The brown color in the water, though, is not from pollution at all. It's from something known as tannic acid. Tannic acid is emitted from trees in tamarack swamps. And in this river's 430-mile journey down Wisconsin, it passes through a few tamarack swamps, gradually picking up its brown color. Luckily, though, tannic acid's harmless. It's found in many common drinks and beverages. Straight ahead of us, to the left a little bit, you'll see a mushroom-shaped rock sticking out the side of the cliff right up there. That right there is known as Pulpit Rock, and legend has it a preacher used to sit atop Pulpit Rock right up there, and every single day he preaches sermons to the Native Americans going past him in their birchwood canoes. But they did not find that guy very entertaining, and he put them all to sleep as they floated by. So one day, as it soars across the Wisconsin River.
Galing, no? Nakita mo na?
I'll get turned around here so everybody on the right side of the duck can see it a little better.
Dad, what does he mean, duck?
Duck? Why is it the duck?
Oh, look, it's a little mini waterfall.
Tiny bit of mist coming in the front of the duck. Not windy today, so won't be bad up here. But we're going to get a 200-foot tidal wave coming over the back deck, soaking everybody in the back row. And there's going to be some water coming in on the floor. If you set something on the floor you don't want getting wet today, definitely pick it up just for a moment. Other than that, are y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right. Brace yourself seriously in the front, especially hold on to something. Here we go. That was awesome.
Oh my God! We're in the dam. Mabasa ako. I got wet. Ma'am, you got wet? Oh no!
2 inches wide. I'm not great at math, but I think that only leaves me 4 inches to work with.
Was it good there? Did you like the tour? Yeah? Tara dito.
Sabi mo kasi paglabas na hindi ka dumaan.
Hindi ka dumaan?
Oo, ikaw.
Hindi. Ikaw nga ang walang dala eh. Dapat ikaw dumaan.
Oo nga, ano. Sabi natin pagbaba.
We're here sa mountain coaster. At try daw namin itong mountain coaster. Okay.
Pakita mo.
We're going here. Pero bawal daw ang cellphone and bag. So we have to leave them in the car. Ha?
Picture mo muna.
Picture? Okay. Where are we? Pakita mo yung robot kay Riz tsaka kay Robby. That's Bumblebee right there.
Baka malaglag pa yung cellphone ko. Hindi ba to si Bumblebee?
Si Optimus Prime.
Ito yung yellow.
Bumblebee yan, tsaka yun.
Saka yun.
Wow.
Okay, wait. Do you know who's Princess favorite?
That's Optimus.
Papasok ka sa gitna niya.
Ah. Nandito kami sa Top Secret. Oh, it's Iron Man.
For 2 hours and
It's not scary. Tingnan mo upside down na yung mga ano na.
Ay, upside down. Ay, the washroom.
You wanna go to the washroom?
Washroom.
Can you check the inside of the washroom?
Baka nasa itaas yung ano.
Sige nga.
It's normal, oh.
In upside down. Watch your step and even surface. Ito, ba't ito normal? Altered R.
Oh, it's Trump.
Ito, pwede ka rin pumasok dito.
Welcome to Oval Office. Go in. Sige, go.
It's not scary naman. Oval. Ayun.
What?
Oh no.
Picture.
The White House landed upside down in Wisconsin Dells. To cover this fact, it was made into tourist attraction. Oh no.
What happened to the windows? Look outside.
Asan? Ganyan kayo. Ayan, ganyan kayo. Tedong ka.
No, it's upside down.
And this one is emotional damage.
Anong emotional damage? Everything is upside down. Nothing's gonna come out here. Where are we?
Big butts?
Big butt. Press room.
Press room.
Do you get to press something?
No.
Press. Ito.
Oh.
Press.
Epstein files. Oh, we can see the files right there. It's weird, no?
Picture mo kami dito. Ganun talaga ginano nila.
Dig site.
Matilim ba talaga dapat?
Yeah,
Why?
because it's a dig site.
Oh,
Whoa. What is that? I don't know what that is.
what is this?
Somebody's digging there.
Ayun, may tao doon. May kumaring.
Are they supposed to jump scare us or no?
I don't know.
It's top secret.
We just went here without knowing anything.
Tingin ka dyan, de.
No.
Mag-aano lahat kasi yun ay isang dito. Ito maliwanag na. Uy! Si ano? Ano
Whoa!
tawag dito?
Darth Vader. Darth Vader na bakal.
Excuse me.
Stormtrooper.
Hindi ko naman.
And decontamination laboratory.
Ano daw?
Decontamination laboratory. Where are we?
Ayos tong ano na to
Are you what?
Hindi ka na. Ayos tong ano na to Hindi kailangan ayusin ng maganda, no?
Oh.
Uy, madidid.
Sige, pasok.
Ito si Optimus Prime.
Oh. Optimus Prime to? Oh yeah, it's Optimum Prime.
Darth Vader ba yun? Ayun. May sound na ganun?
Oo, yeah. Ang hina naman ang sound.
Ito, may alien.
It's Area 51. Hello. Walang buto ito yung alien. Alien number. May number sila. Are aliens real, Nam?
Tunnel to White House room.
Oh, tapos na.
Be careful, or they'll lock you up too. The same thing they did with talking eagles and Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Sino yung gorilla?
Oh, the Bigfoot.
Bigfoot?
Huh? You wanna what? Tingnan mo yun, oh.
Amin.
That's us.
Saan tayo dadaan?
Diretso. Why are you scared?
Saan tayo dadaan dito?
Dito? Di ba dito?
Hindi, sa
Doon,
lamin
doon,
yan.
doon. Oh! Ang haba ng tunnel.
Oh, isa sa alam.
Tapos na?
Hindi tayo nag-picture. Picture tayo.
Eh. We're here, upside down.
Hindi, maganda tayo ganito.
Paano kung magbenta sila ng bahay sa inyo?
Dalawang pag-ganyan na tayo. Ayan o.
I'm falling.
Ayan, yun na.
Sky.
Kasi hindi naman tayo kita lahat.
Lagay mo sa sahig.
I'm falling.
Ha?
We're here downtown. Ay, parang ano, Calgary, no? Parang Banff. $5. We're here,
Ayan yung mga pampasa, ano.
Wisconsin Dells downtown. Wow.
Ito mga pang ano. Gusto mo pumasok sa store?
Tara, tara, tara.
Salted butter.
Tara, tara.
Ay, ano ba? Butter squishy.
Nakita na niya yan, kaya papasok na siya.
Ano tong wizard? Anong pwes? Ang laki.
Ah, yan yung ano, nakita ko sa video.
Ano?
Bago, ginagawa pa lang.
Ay, ginagawa pala. How to? Saan pa yun?
Where are you?
Nowhere.
Nowhere.